shona wethu iyadla impofu idla ukudla kwayo shona wethu iyadla impofu idla ukudla kwayo yemadoda Kaizer Chiefs 1 Durban City no umdlalo phethwe Premiership ubulapha ya FNB Stadium eGoli khona namhlanje wemfowethu ngithi shona uwethu ukuthi iChiefs idla ukudla kwayo ngoba na ku first round of the season they took 3 point kethe of igoli la Silva, yes. Silva scored a cracker ahead lapana. A very, very beautiful header to give Kaizer Chiefs a 1-0 lead, and then they won that game ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni. Namhlanje FNB Stadium bayabuya bazoqisha iDurban City ngegoli elilodwa eqandeni bathatha u6 point. Ingakho sithi shona wena uthi impofu idla ukudla kwayo. Yemadoda. So bafowethu igame namhlanje ibingenakho mfethu ukuthi ziyajahana. Bekuyigame nje mfethu normally ekade ngawukhipha futhi 0-0 draw. Bengingaboni nini lapho futhi ngabe indaba zalutho kusizo coach beChiefs lapha bashintshe befaka uvele bhayi novilakazi abantu abamnandi abafike batshengisa usila kune team efuna ukukora la because if it's bese half time ubengekho otshengisa ukuthi ufuna igoli yena it was just a normal game like kade beyidlalela bejima understand ibingekho le nto bese ihlalisa on the edge of the city uwona phela umdlala igame ukudlala igame mhlawumbe umincile kumnandi nje yana zangenana uhlala on the edge of your seat ngoba usukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzeka noma yini noma ngabe inini namhlanje mfethu ibingekho la nto leyana futhi Spark iDurban City sivuse ngomzuzu ka85 kale yabona umzuzu 85 kale qishi iDurban City ashaya 2 goals hey iChiefs bisivuka lemba ngezandla lapha ndoda ngitshela wena mfethu iChiefs would like to congratulate them lapha sebekwazile ukuwina uBest Premiership inyaka yokuqala kulonyaka ka2026 I think that was their first win if I'm not mistaken in the league yes mfethu kunathi ke makunjalo abantu mabarelax abantu mabajabule iteam yenze kahle
yabona iphutha elenziwe yiDurban City iphutha lokucabanga ukuthi besizodlala la endela besingazange ukuzodlala besize ngumsebenzi wokuvulela induku sithatha 3 points siphume sihambe adlali but there are areas of concern though to be honest I mean uMiguel lapha emuva looked a bit shaky le back 3 yethu le icon because on paper iChiefs were playing a back 4 but on the field bebadlala ngeback 3 uCross bekangale kwa left center back kuMiguel phakathi nendawo kuQuinika ngale kwa right center back Solomons was supposed to play as a wing back. If you're playing a back 3, this means you're playing ama wing backs. Solomons was supposed to play as a wing back, but he couldn't play as a wing back because Ulilepo is hugging the line. So you can't have 2 players hugging the line. So occasionally Solomons would have to invert inside and add numbers inside the middle of the park, and that would render him a bit useless because he's not useful when he's inside. He's more useful when he's outside. Check second half. Ulilepo maka shift lapha kwa left kwa right aya phakathi nendawo ungena uVilakazi because uVilakazi is a different type of winger. uVilakazi inverts inside. It allows uSolomons to run up and down the right wing yangibamba. That's why uSolomons ashama tackle amaningi kakhulu ngesecond half khona le recovery ayishayile preventing igoli eDurban City because now he's able to run free on the right hand side. Great display by him. I love what Ndlovu was doing, a bit rough. Making sure ukuthi lamadoda lawa wazenzile lapha eswini Umaboy wins man of the match. I think he deserved it, but I think uNdlovu if uyitholile benge ngize ngikhale kakhulu uVilakazi no Velaphi completely changed the game for Kaizer Chiefs. When they were introduced we looked more dangerous. Uduba they need to press first half, they need to improve. Come on gents, come on. I know the boys are good, I know the boys can do well done to the boys. We needed the 3 points.
How did that ball stay out? I need to see highlights and replay. How did Durban City not score there? How the football gods were on our side today. Hey, there's last few minutes. Too intense, too stressful. And I must just say, our coaches, Ben Khalil Yusuf and Cedric Kaze, guys, please. We need to relax this thing of making subs in a rush when we're in a lead, because once we took off Ndlovu, we lost all control in the game. At the dying end, the Durban City were all over us. So let's just, see out the game. If Ndlovu must play 90, must play 90. I'm sorry. Hey, don't do that to me. Yo. But yeah, 3 points in the bag. The most important thing, we got it. We collected all 3 points. I was happy with the draw, but I will take 3 points. We are over the 30-point curse. The curse has been lifted. We are past 30 points. We are in top 8. This season, we are staying in top 8. We are not going anywhere. We've got a 6-point waiting for us. Magezi and Orbit College. Clear 6 points we are collecting. Then we'll be on 39 points. Then we guarantee probably top 4 finish. Yo. That's what I've been saying, guys. I understand you guys are not happy, Amakosi, but let these two see at the end of the season, and then end of the season they can bring in a new coach who will start with them pre-season. Let's let them finish their season. But yeah, hey, intense game. First half, very, very slow walking pace game. Very slow. Build up very slow. Everything was slow. Dupree and Duba were struggling. But luckily, second half made some subs, made some adjustments. We brought speed to develop our speed and skill on the wing. We moved Lilepo centrally. And you saw. And I still, please, guys, Chiefs, I'm a Kosi fans. I mean, when I'm a Kosi, Ben Khalil Yusuf and Cedric Kazi. We need to move Vilagazi to 10 and Shabalala to the wing. Because Shabalala can beat the man one-on-one. The midfield is too congested. That's why you'll see struggle takes. There's a lot of people to get through. But one-on-one, he'll kill you. One-on-one, he will cook you alive. Hey, guys. The last 3 seasons, we are sitting in a better position now than the last 3 seasons, if I'm not mistaken. So things are looking good. Things are looking rosy. 3 points, 1 game at a time. Yo. I'm just happy the case is broken. Yo.
Andiyazi ngoba into enzekayo bese nisithi Chiefs esiyithandayo ibuyile nje intoni ngokuyenzekayo ngo futhi Chiefs ufuna kuyeka udlala Sunday Chiefs xa nisuke inkonzo yana ufuna into ezabe iphazamisa nemoyeni wami bendiyibukelela ntoni yona le game ngubani ngoku lo fonayo ngubani lo fonayo ngoku ngubani lo fonayo hello uthetha naye Mtumelo Drop. Mna ndithetha nabani? Office ya Chiefs. Utheni ndifowunela ndingena phi mna kwinto zenu? Bengayibukelanga ndibukela ibhola mna namhlanje. Andingeni indawo kwinto zenu. Akodwa ihlekayo. Uyabona ngoyinto ezayenza ndizadropha le phone yam uzabona. Akodwa ihlekayo into ehlekisayo kule nto ithethayo. Omeni drop and ngibona umuzohleka naba. Yo,
Yeah, so bafethu full-time score Kaizer Chiefs 1 Durban City 0. Ifate yami ibuyile kodwa ayibuyile ngizochazela ukuthi why. So Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukuthola maximum points ku 3 points yakwazi ukukhupha ngaphezulu kwe Durban City esihleli number 5 manje. Maswina lama game asele sibela ku number 3 wethu sizozama ukulwela iChampions League spots not iCAF Confederation. At least isilala number 2 if it's possible. If it's not possible fine so dlala iCAF. And ngifuna uba positive. Ngifuna uba positive kule video le. I'm gonna try by all means uba positive. Kodwa kunabantu abangicasulayo kule team. Wona bese uGlodly Lilep. La mchithi I'm not happy with Glodly Lilep. But ngiyabonga kakhulu ngegoli ashaya namhlanje. Great play from uVilakazi, but uGlodly Lilep angikho happy ngaye. First half it was quiet. First half. And then when they were making a mass up, I saw Dupreez kana maranade wenza. Ngabona kisho Dupreez ngithi mina, okay, no Lilep yaphuma manje. Hayi cha. Kodwa ke uhlali kwa pay off ukuhlala kwakhe wasitholela igoli. We are grateful, but ba performances ali Lilep fethu keep dropping. Hayi ngeke bafethu I'm not happy nge performance ka Glodly Lilep. But igoli lakhe siyalibonga kakhulu sisithi ku 3 point basibuyisela ithemba leli sidingayo. Pick up for uMabuwe futhi bafethu what a player, what a generational player uMabuwe ayiyona bafethu. That guy bafethu we have umdlali o solid ku midfield. Great play from Umabuwe. Sesidinga umuntu azoba paired naye kula midfielder. Sidinga icombination ezosebenzela kwiKaizer Chiefs. Bafethu udlalile uNdlovu, ngibonile lenza ama recoveries. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. But sidinga lo muntu mfethu angazi khona into eshodayo. Midfielder yethu eKaizer ingayidominate iPSL. Trust me, next season khona into ezoshintsha. Ubona uMabuwe mamtholele perfect partner. So ibulala ama team inqaba ama team la. And umfuthu usishabalala. What a performance by uMdu, especially first half. Good play from him. He was amazing. He was everywhere. Yonke lento fethu he was perfect. He was a perfect player. Happy ngomntu performance yakhe namhlanje. But kunama chances la khona ebengala ube clinical ikona kade wathola khona. Abana akakwazanga ukuba njalo. But again, ngifuna uba positive la. Ngibonga u3 points. Kaizer Chiefs, biggest team in the PSL history. Nakho senkhohlo asanele Villepay. Yazi ungena kwa Villepay kuyishintshile igame yeKaizer Chiefs. Kuyishintsha kakhulu igame yeKaizer Chiefs. Yazi lamchitha bafethu ma create ama chance lamchitha. Bedinga unumber 9 wangempela because yabona ulilepo njengoba ngisho. Linto umuva wakhe ku9 ayisebenzelanga. Okay, isebenzele usitholela igoli. But ngabe sibe nama chances amangana nesiwafinishile if bese number 9 uphila lapho. Because AK47 dubula mntanami hayi ngeke khehla angazi noma iPirates sakufuna yini kodwa icon
Hayi bafana. Iwedile all Chiefs kodwa hayi bafana. Ay. Bobby. Iwedile no Chiefs kodwa.
Khuluma ngani?
Ayikho indlela yeChiefs bafethu ke lokho siqamba banga hayi. Yabo Chiefs hayi iwinile phela ngoba nakhi iwinile kodwa
Kaizer Chiefs supporters, gather here, let's chat. I won't pretend that the stadium wasn't empty today. We won't pretend that we were not seeing it for the first time for FNB Stadium to be this empty. Kaizer Chiefs playing at home, home game, not sold out for Kaizer Chiefs. We won't pretend like it's a normal thing. Now, firstly, you guys submitted a memorandum to Kaizer Chiefs management. That memorandum, as I had, included you guys saying that Kaizer Chiefs mustn't go to the next game with the same coaches or with the same coach, right? And they agreed to get back to you guys before the game. They didn't do that. They didn't get rid of the coach. They didn't address the situation regarding the coach. They didn't even do that before this game. And I think that's also what added to you guys showing your frustrations by not showing up at the stadium. Also considering that Kaizer Chiefs recently released a statement saying that anyone that is a Kaizer Chiefs supporter but not part of any branch is not entitled to any opinion directed at Kaizer Chiefs. From the situation before the game, has anything changed? Just because of this narrow 1-0 over Durban City. What's the situation? What's the atmosphere? What's happening? I'm genuinely curious. I'd like to know.
Okay, bafethu, that's it for everyone namhlanje. Into engingayisho bafethu ukuthi it was a normal Kaizer Chiefs game. Ayikho into beyimangaza ngegame namhlanje bafethu. It was just a normal Kaizer Chiefs game at the season or the previous season, ne. First half I felt like Umdu is a really good player mfethu, ne. And I understand ukuthi he misses chances, but I feel like Umdu utito with Chiefs. Like mengekho uyabona ukuthi there's just something missing ngeChiefs. If it umekhona like uzodlisa lapha nalapha, then they're gonna say Umdu uyadlisa, but bro, it's just important teamini, bro. I don't know, it's just how I feel mfethu. Umdu mfethu is important kule squad seChiefs. They need Umdu in the starting 11. Umdu no Vilakazi. No Villepay. Why Villepay? I don't want to talk about Chiefs mfethu. I'm not a Chiefs supporter. Ngaze kuthiwa khuluma indaba zabantu, but it was a game, bro. I enjoyed it. I mean, Chiefs hasn't won like in the past 4 games, so it was nice to see them win 5 games later and them climbing up, because I need Chiefs we have. I need Chiefs we have next season, just so that wonke ama team the big 3 iba nama fixture congested sonke siba busy. Angifuni bekhona osalayo focus kwi league, because ngiyabona iChiefs ngathi ifuna ba serious manje nayo, so ngidinga ukuthi nabo ba qualify for a CAF, so there's sonke next season siba busy, bro, you know. So yeah, this just how I feel. And yeah, but first, I'm not an analyst, I'm not a what, I just above it. So please, Mago TV Tandile, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Tuesday.